si le 20 mars cap vini là, élection faite, Michel Martelly pas président.
Il va bouler le pays.
Il a boulé non, sérieusement.
Non, il va bouler le pays.
Non.
Ah, je m'en parle pas. Il n'a pas les droits. Il n'a pas les droits.
Ok, d'accord, non, liberté, free speech. Mais pour qui soit dit ça?
Peuple a bon changement. Si le peuple a mal élevé, comment est-ce que combat?
Si Michel Martelly pas président,
Il va bouler le pays.
son magou, ils sont.
Yes, on va le faire. Le peuple a bouler le pays. Où ça a passé? Je a passé là. Même plus maintenant, bon, et nous, mais qui commence à révolutionnaire, novembre 28, le Michel va passer. Yo pompé, haïtien pompé pour eux. Michel, c'est le Michel qui fait pas faire ça. Pas pour les carreaux. Comment on va passer là?
Ok, on quitte le 28 novembre là, on allait pour 20 mars. Comme journaliste, mettez à côté que l'élection faite, Michel Martelly, ça possible tout. Est-ce que pas comme ça possible tout? C'est l'élection.
Oui, c'est l'élection.
Dans l'élection le 20 mars, il n'est pas président.
Non,
est-ce que
si le peuple a choisi Maninga, pas gagné.
Nous pas croire que le peuple a choisi Maninga.
Jamais!
Pour qui ça?
Jamais!
Donc, pour qui ça dit ça, frère?
Parce que mon monde.
Qui ça?
Non, comment est-ce qu'on va? Bah, ça va pas, on va. Listen,
you feel because we don't
I forget about campaign. We can sit there, we can analyze the n'importe janvier, we get people who can analyze money, gas, c'est la Michel,
all right. What do you have?
What I'm saying to you is, somebody spiritual do là.
Big grand bloqueur passe ça, big grand pédant, big grand cholet. Big grand bloqueur passe ça, big grand pédant, big grand cholet.
I don't do ça. Ou bien tout pays sur le monde là, right? Ou bon petit pays qui est Haïti, qui va dans le monde. Why publicité Haïti? Ou bien tout blanc de Haïti, ou bien mes peuples là, Haïti, son peine de Haïti, c'est deux semaines là, de Haïti, oui. Et tout intelligence haïtienne, mais. Et ça va nous amener un mouvement, ça va nous passion. Michel Vinina, ou bien Ben Stiller, qui a parlé de Michel. Ou bien Sean Penn a parlé de Michel, dans même salle là. Ou bien Eddie Murphy a parlé de Michel. Ou bien Anderson Cooper a parlé de Michel. Son mouvement qui a passé à Haïti. Ça va même. Pour Michel, son mouvement haïtien, nous avons ça dans nous, man. You have to see to believe. No, man.
All right. On finit avec question à revers. Michel Martelly devient notre président. Qui ça va passer?
Oh, Valério. People like Haiti. Nobody remembers this thing out there. We don't have a Republican and Democrat to have a partisanship. People gonna be happy. Let me tell you. And then let me tell you what's gonna happen. Every Haitian, the diaspora out here, they're gonna want to help the country. Because Michel is about dual citizenship.
Okay.
He's about that.
What about that?
He's about healthcare, free healthcare. Free education. You want to do free healthcare, but free education.
Free education. He mentioned free education in all the country.
For everyone.
Everywhere. That's going to happen in 5 years.
It's going to happen in 5 years. And in the system he has, that's a great system.
Okay.
Free healthcare at some point. There's another thing.
How about the army? How about the army forces? Are we coming back?
Well, when we say army, we want to create some form of a presence, especially to secure our border. The Dominican Republic has been taking advantage of the border.
Okay.
We need to have
so you have some force.
And that's also that's the employment. You put people at work.
At work. How about the United Nations? The minister that are here now.
You know what? The minister has to leave by 2012.
They're going to leave in 2012.
Yeah, that's what they're supposed to do.
Okay.
It's in the paper.
But they renew their contract every
They renew it. Let me tell you, they renew it when they don't have a leader that's going to take charge.
Okay.
You see what I'm saying too? But when they see the leader come like Michel, and Michel said, listen, thank you very much. Now, you know what I love about Michel? Do you know in his plan right now, the $14 billion that's pledged for Haiti
is
not part of his budget?
Yes.
He act like it doesn't even exist.
Okay.
Because we have to first be able to do for ourselves before we go and get money from somebody else. That's what I love about Michelle.
Okay.
You understand what I'm saying?
Very well, very well.
It's very important. This guy understands.
Yeah. Now, because we have to go also, before we close, let's, how does the director help you guys? I mean, how can you help Michel Martelly?
Okay.
La just rapidement.
Yeah, real quick, listen. I think what we need to do is, we have the best engineers, doctors. The guy who created the new Chrysler body is Haitian.
Right.
The guy who founded Chicago is,
Yes.
The guy who's the president of Nintendo is Haitian. We have to put all our minds and forces to go back down to Haiti and lend our ingenuity and our brain. Okay? But real quick, we're trying to put an event together.
Let's talk about that.
On March around 10 or 11 down in Haiti.
Okay.
It's a big event where Michelle's going to address to the people, the whole diaspora.
Okay, very
We're
well.
going to do it like a...
In Haiti, you said?
No, in Miami.
In Miami. Okay, you said Haiti. Okay, Miami.
We're trying to raise $1 million that day.
That day. Okay.
That day.
Okay.
So we're going to give all the information to everybody. We want to spread it out.
Okay, yes.
Come and support because there's a movement that's happening.
All right.
We need a new image. Labadie.
Yes.
People don't even know that's part of Haiti.
Monsieur, c'est ainsi, si le 20 mars, Michel Martelly n'est pas président, Haïti pas prendre du feu, nous pas t'avouer ça. Nous c'est haïtien.
Voilà, c'est ça. Mais, nous pas
l'élection. Ça, for sure. Frank Michel, mon cher, merci à pile.
Merci.
Mike, thank you very much. It's a pleasure seeing you again. Thanks for the hooking up here. The prize at $18 million. Well, I don't know. We gotta look into that money again. Just for a joke. Guys, it was a pleasure. Let me tell you, the MBS was so cordial. I feel the vibe. I feel you, Praz. Trust me, I feel you. And I tell you that what we just had here, and to you at home, wherever you are over the internet, the people qui ont l'émission sur internet, moi c'est souhaiter qu'après l'émission ça, bon bagage qui arrive à la caille. Soit que vous prenez une décision en tant qu'haïtien, malheureusement, vous ne pouvez pas voter, mais au moins, vous pouvez aller dans la caille. Vous les frères, sœurs, ma tante, dire vraiment ça.
Vous êtes calé.
Vous êtes calé.
Numéro 8 là.
Numéro 8 là. Pour un président ou une présidente. N'est-ce pas? C'était le Saint-Louis pour l'image. Merci Praz, merci Mike. Bonsoir tout le monde.